Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Samm. This video explores 10 coolest features of Google Docs. Google Docs is an application of G Suite and most of us have already worked in Google Docs before, but maybe we didn't come across the features that I'm going to explore in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing first, you need to have a Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account, you can work on any of the G Suite application. All right, so I logged into my Gmail account here, and then there are two ways you can open your Google Docs. I'll tell you both of them. The first one is just go to your new tab and type in docs.google.com. Okay, here you have a blank document and you have lots of templates also. This is one way of opening your Google Docs. The other way is, of course, by clicking on these 9 dots on the top right corner that says Google Apps. Click on it and go down to find Docs. There you go. And click on it. So you can open your Google Docs by either way. All right, so I'll go back to this one, and for me, because I'm going to discuss 10 coolest features of Google Docs, so I'll start with a new document. Okay, so first of all, I will name my document Cool Features of Docs. Okay, so the first feature I'm going to talk about is Smart Chips. Smart Chips is one of the coolest features of Google Docs that enables you to do a lot of actions easily just by typing this @ sign. Here you can see type @ to insert. So I'll just show you how can you work with this. I'll just type in @ and it will bring me this drop down menu here. I can see some people here in my contacts. I can see this date, meeting notes, etc., etc. If I click on date, it will give me the calendar, and I can just pick up today's date. Then you can type it again, and you can say that you want to have an emoji maybe. So you can just type in any emoji that you want. All right. And there you go. So Smart Chips lets you do a lot of things just by clicking this @ sign. Okay, so the next feature is voice typing. This is one of my favorite ones because if you are tired, Google will do it for you. So I'll tell you how does it work. Go to Tools, Voice Typing, and this icon comes up here on the screen, and as soon as I press this click to speak, it will start typing, right? So I'll just say click to speak. Hi, Google. Thank you for typing this out for me. How are you doing? Thank you. Take care. And then just stop it. The third feature is update default fonts. By default, Google takes this font. You can see here, Arial, normal text, 11 size, and black in color. But if you are bored of these things and you want to have something of your own style, and you want to keep that style as default, then there is a way. Select your text, change font. I'll select Georgia. I'll pick up different color, change the size to 14, and that's it. Normal text is fine for me. So what I'll do, I'll go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Normal Text, and then update normal text to match. So this is my first step. The next step I have to do, I have to save it as my default. I'll go to format again, paragraph styles again, go to options and then save it as my default style. And you see that it says that your default styles have been saved. All right. So to confirm this, I'll open another document, a new one, and see if my favorite styles have been saved as my default. Yeah, it has. You see now this is a new document and I have this Georgia as my font, and I have 14 as the font size, and also the color is dark red. So let me try typing out something. Embed document with email. Suppose I'm working on my document and I want to share it right away with my colleague. So this feature comes in handy in this situation. I can simply go to File and I can say Email, and I will say email this file. So I will just have to insert the email address of that person. Okay, so the subject is already being taken, and if there is a message I want to type it for the person, and then send it as a PDF or Microsoft Word. If you want the other person to make changes to it, I'll send it as a PDF, then send. So the fifth feature is substitution. As the name suggests, this feature is used to replace some words with the others. Most of them are like acronyms. I'll quickly show you how does it work. I have this tools, preferences, and go to substitutions. And then you can replace some words with others. Suppose this AI, and I want to replace it with the artificial intelligence. Okay, and then there is another one. Whenever I type web, please replace it with this URL. Then there is this another one. I would just say Microsoft, and it will be replaced by these proper words. Let's try them. Say MS and space. There you go. And when I say web space, I got this URL. And then the other one was AI space, and I got this. Okay. Explore button. This is yet another one of my favorites because you can explore anything. If you are working on a document and you want to explore something, like you are looking for some information, you can do that from within your document. So just click on this explore button on the bottom right corner, and there is this search thing. You can explore anything that you want. Suppose I'm looking for Elon Musk and press enter, and this will give you all the information about this guy. And you can copy paste the same thing from within your document to your document. The other cool thing about this explore button is citation. I'll show you how does it work, and it's a very cool feature because it you can cite your document automatically from here. Suppose I'm looking for some information about Tesla. I'll just click on it, and I found something. I copy pasted a little bit about this thing into my document here. So I'll just click on this button here, and it will cite it automatically for me. You can see this number 1 has been cited here. Translate document. You are working in a document and you want it to be translated into another language. What you can do is simply go to Tools, Translate Document, and it automatically takes the name of your document, and you just need to select the language that you want it to be translated to. So suppose I take this Arabic here and just press translate. A new tab opens with the translated copy of your document. See, it seems correct to me, though I am not too good at Arabic, but I feel that this is fine. And then let me try another language. I'll pick up French now. Translate. There you go. So I don't know French either. So I feel that these two translations are pretty good. Unlike Microsoft Word, Google Docs word count is not turned on by default. So we need to turn it on. It's simple. We just go to Tools, and there is this word count. And it shows me how many words I have worked on. I have 2 pages here, 420 words, these many characters, and these many characters without spaces. And then if I want to display it on my document, I can just click on this. That's okay. There you go. So I have these many words in my documents, and if I type more, it will be updated. Version history is also very useful tool or a feature in Google Docs, especially if you are working in a collaborated environment. Like if you are sharing your document with others and you want to know who made changes to your document and what changes, and if you want to resume your previous version, you can do that just by using this option. You go to File, and then there is version history, and you can see version history. And everything that you have been doing on this document comes on the right-hand side. So because I am working solo on this document, so it's only me and I haven't made a lot of changes to it. But as I said, if you are working with your peers, all of those people who are sharing this document and whatever the changes they are making, everything comes on this site. So last but not the least is download as PDF. You are working in Google Docs and you haven't saved it as PDF, but you can still download it as PDF. And you can open it in PDF Viewer. So just simply go to File, Download, and say download it as PDF. Okay, so it will open in PDF Viewer. There you go. So this is your PDF file, and it's simple and easy. Okay, so this is it for my video today, and I hope you liked it. And please leave comments in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.